TTS। तो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं एडुकार्ट सैम्पल पेपर बुक्स का रिव्यू। मैंने लास्ट टाइम ऑर्डर की थी बुक्स और आज वो डिलीवर हो चुकी हैं। तो इस वीडियो में हम आपको उसका रिव्यू देने जा रहे हैं। इस वीडियो में होगी 3 चीज़ें। सबसे फर्स्ट होगी अनबॉक्सिंग, then second one is your review of the books, and third one is your my study vlog in which I am solving the social science first sample question paper. So watch the video till end and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and yes, watch till end and let's enjoy the video and let's get. Hey everyone, so this is Educart Term-1 English Sample Question Paper Book, Language and Literature for Class 10 CBSE as per the latest syllabus, that is for MCQs. And you can see the contents here as I have zoomed, so now it's clear to you. So solved sample papers we have 8 solved sample papers and 3 more self-assessment sample papers. Blueprint, time management, important tips, all things are given here, and we can download 2 more sample question papers with the help of this QR code. Let's see what's the next. So you can also purchase this through the link given in the description, and this is question paper design. It tells us about the blueprint and the time management, that how much time we have to give into each section. Self-evaluation chart, focus point for the each chapter is given here, and also CBSE sample paper is also given here, and dictionary words, that is the vocabulary words, are given here. That was the most important thing. I know that the questions are from vocabulary are also coming, so that was the most important to learn all the vocabulary words. If you know, then you can understand. Here you can see picture based questions as per the syllabus, as per the latest syllabus. All things are given in the book, so this is really helpful. You can also purchase it. So we have seen English. Now it's time to take a quick review of Maths Standard sample question paper Educart book. Same things are given here, all 8 sample papers, question paper design, time management, all things are same, and important tips and OMR sheet instructions are also given. That was the most important, and self-evaluation chart, special objective maps, and this Mind maps are really helpful while you can understand each concept through looking into this map. All the chapter summaries given in this mind maps, once you look into it, you can understand the whole chapter and see how briefly in one page the full chapter is described, and each figure based questions and all things, you can say all things are given here, nothing is left. It's time to look into the science book. All things are same. All important tricks and objective maps for each chapter very briefly described in this book, and all the you can say NCRT exercises and activities that are really coming in the exam. So all things are here, you can say picture based questions. This is the diagram of a stomata, you can see, and the heart. So everything is given, as we know that this type of questions are also there. So I recommend that you can also buy it. Explanation of answers are also given, that's really well. So this is for social science by Shubham Pathak, class 10 CBSE. As I have told you, all things are same, but mind maps, that was really good, and explanation of the answers are also given, that's a very good thing. And you can see not only mind maps like that, only main point is given. No, each and everything you can find in these mind maps. So I read all that, I understand that all, and then going to give my exams. And you can see for each and every chapter explanations, related theories also given. And watch the video till end, because I am solving one of the question papers of this book, that is of social science. That's a study vlog, you can also see at the last. So as I've told you, related theories, explanations, and why all the other options are incorrect, that thing is also given. So I think that it is better. All books are better, but something is good in that as well. This is the OMR sheet. Self-evaluation chart at the end is given, in which you can evaluate yourself, that at which position you are standing. And that's all about what I think that I need to tell you. So thank you.